minus 22 and there's mist in the air, so
the worst thing that can happen is
Good morning. Welcome to a new video on this channel. If you are coming back, so nice to see you again, and if you are first time watching, Leo Männisto is my name. I am a Finnish guy living in Germany and I have been flying my DJI Mini 3 Pro for about 2 years now. If you are coming back to this channel, you might see that this is not my usual setup, and the reason for that is that I am in Oulu, Finland. We are gonna go out and fly, and I'm gonna talk about little nifty trick I just recently found out on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. But before that, we have to pick someone up.
hello!
hello! No need for horn honking. Just give me a call. Hello? How are you doing?
Fine. It's nice to see you.
Let's get going! Test out the batteries. How do they hold?
And the men behind the battery.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. First things first, gloves on. It's cold. Like, so can we start the car? I mean, come on. So, where are we going?
To II. Is it II or double I?
It's like E.
At the moment we have been driving for half an hour and the temperature has dropped to minus 22.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Can you see that?
Also, I'm talking about the DJI Mini 3 Pro on this particular tip. If you have some other type of drone, maybe you could tell me down on the comments if this works on other DJI models as well.
The drone is gonna freeze for sure. I mean, it's like... It's minus 22 and there's mist in the air, so this is gonna be like almost pointless and hopeless.
The worst thing that can happen is drone freezing and dropping to the ice.
Let me show you something. I have flown my DJI Mini 3 Pro for 2 years now, as I said, and I only found out this recently. If you have the drone and you don't want to use your tongue to get the memory card out, take the gimbal cover and you can see the lip right here. Ta-da! It's a great tool to operate the memory card. Minus 22 moisture in the air is way too cold to fly a drone. Timo's drone already got some ice on the props. I didn't even put mine onto the sky, but now you know how you can change the memory card when you have your gloves on if you are flying in circumstances like this. I hope you learned something. We learned that it's way too cold for us to fly today. We are gonna do some other things, and when we are getting somewhere to warm us up, you can watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.